I will show how to buy shares of Urban One Inc. by demonstrating a search for how to buy shares of Urban One Inc. Urban One Inc. is a radio and digital media company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker UONE, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker UONE to find the listing. Choose the result that matches Urban One Inc. on NASDAQ to open the stock page. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart showing recent activity. Confirm the company name and ticker UONE so you are viewing the correct asset. Click or tap Invest. Select the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may remain pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.